Hey guys, and today we're going to be doing squishy days. So I have my phone behind the camera and I'm going to check. First one is that I saw was chopping a squishy with an axe. Okay, then we have two squishies. This is one. This is two. Oopsies, I
Dropped it.
yeah. So first one I'm gonna cut.
No, put it.
Is this one?
Yeah, actually put it like that.
Here video. Just look it down a bit.
Don't even stop because I can't see.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so. Okay, this is really scary. Okay, 3, 2, move down. Oh, I can't. You can't see it. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
My go. Okay.
You're not getting a go. Sorry, you're on the next one.
Yeah.
Oh damn! That did a straight cut. There. Okay. Danny, you get one. Don't do it too hard.
Okay. Wait, one more.
No.
I didn't hardly anything.
You did. Look.
Okay, one more, please.
Okay. Oh. The next one is let's put them underwater. So we're gonna.
Nothing.
What?
There's nothing putting them underwater.
So and then we're gonna freeze one as the next one. Just can you hold my phone? Can you hold my phone? You hold my phone. Okay, then keep it out of this one. Just put my phone over there then. Oh! I nearly fell over. Okay, I'll put you there. Here's the hose. You just rinse this out first. Okay, I just filled this whole big actually heart. Oh look, I rusted now. Put that in there. Ew.
No. I mean that's so nice.
So we're gonna. Well, I think this squishy first. That we ripped.
Because I have like the inside. It
Oh,
will get like soaked.
Dan, can you come around here and video it? Because I can't see. Well,
Can you like switch that on camera?
okay, Denham's gonna do it. You can't see. Good. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I really don't want to. So soft now.
That was my favorite one.
Was it? Okay. Well, we're gonna. Should we leave that for the whole video?
Yeah.
No, because we're gonna do more with it.
No, like after the video, right? No, like when the video is done, we leave it in there and record a tiny bit more about it.
Okay. We will freeze one and get back to you in the morning as well. So first, oh Jesus.
Okay, I think that's enough.
No, I want to squish it all down.
But this is so heavy.
Look at how smooth that is. Ew.
It looks like it never got cut or anything. It hardly looks like. You just put the rain away.
What?
You just put that handle thing right in way.
Let's go. Oh, that's heavy.
Hold on, can you hold it now?
Okay. Okay, so this is that one. I just checked on my phone. We're going. So this one didn't say. I just really want to do this one. and they're really, really sharp. Just hold a minute. And then we're gonna chop. We're gonna do everything to this one first. Chop. So we will chop this. Okay. Okay, and now I'm gonna cut. I don't know.
Huh? Yeah, pretty cool, hey?
And yeah, I just chopped that, and that came off, and also this piece, and then it did that. Now this squish is definitely wrecked. Okay, so now I'm gonna burn a squishy.
Need some help?
Okay. Yes, I do have parent supervision, whatever it's called. Parent supervision.
And I'm going to show you one thing with the lighter.
Okay.
When it's lit, have it away from you. See how my thumb's downwards?
Okay.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Oh.
And the heat goes away from you.
The lighter of the candles.
That's a lesson.
It's sizzling.
So moldy.
Oh, it's weird now. It has like. This is actually really fun for some reason.
Can I have a go?
I'm toasting it. It's so weird. Oh, that feels. Oh, you can tell that there's chemicals in there. Ah, that's. Okay, I'm gonna burn a bit more than to show you. Well, I ended up doing that to it, and then I'm gonna burn the other piece.
Whoa,
It's so sticky, like. Oh, I made my fingers sticky. Okay. Okay, so we finished that. We're gonna go on to the next one. Okay, so Denon's gonna run it over with his scooter. I'm gonna run it over with my. Okay, so there's Denon on the roller skaters going to go over this, but first I'm gonna go over it with my bike and see how that goes.
My scooter, then the bike, then me.
Hold on.
Then the car. Dad, do the car.
I can't go forward.
Experiment.
Look.
Is this quite fine? The pedals normally like get loose.
This is just for like a little run over.
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to press play.
I'm already playing.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go on this bike. I missed it! I'm gonna go around.
No, Magento, can I stomp it with the walking ones? These?
Yes. Hold on, first let me do the bike.
I missed it. Oh, you got it with the back wheel. You didn't completely miss it. With the back wheel, you got it.
You can go.
At these.
You can do it.
Oh, it's all wet.
And I'm gonna go over
Hold on.
with a scooter. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, stop. I'm gonna go over it in my scooter. Okay, then that kind of didn't mess it up. Okay, then we're gonna do the next trick. Well, now we're gonna end the video, and I hope you enjoyed. Please like and, you know, subscribe for this. Squishy. It's okay. Okay, bye.